5 ingredients, 10 minutes. That's all it takes to prep an Instant Pot Mississippi roast. The only thing faster is spelling Mississippi. M-I-S-S-I-S-S-I-P-P-I. Thank you to my 3rd grade teacher, Miss Lindsay, and the 1993 Brooklyn Park spelling bee. Using an Instant Pot means we lock in all that roast flavor and tenderness in record time. This is super easy, but if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can use a slow cooker instead. It'll just
take a little longer.
Oh. The awesome thing about this is that you literally just dump a bunch of stuff and let your Instant Pot or slow cooker work its magic. This is the way to go on a weeknight when you're short on time. So now we're gonna add some water to our pot. With tongs, take the roast, just place it right in the pot. Now I cut this one in half just to make sure it fits perfectly into the pot. Now I love making meat in the Instant Pot because I never dry it out and I never overcook it. Boneless chuck roast is the best cut of meat to use. All that marbling right here, all those white pieces, that's the fat. That's that tender juiciness. Ask your butcher. They'll tell you the same thing. You ask your butcher, is that something I'm supposed to have by age 30? Yes, you're supposed to have an Instant Pot, 401k, and a butcher on a first name basis. Now, here's the ingredient that sets this roast apart. McCormick Instant Pot Mississippi Roast Seasoning Mix. We're gonna sprinkle that right on there, all of it. All that, that's flavor. That seasoning is gonna give it savory, umami flavor. We love that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna top that off with some butter. The butter is gonna add some richness to the flavor that's already in there. And on top of it, we got pepperoncini peppers. We're gonna add them around on all sides. That's gonna give it some zing and some zang. Put the lid on. It's gonna make a lovely sound. Just like that. You set it to meat stew for 60 minutes. Beep, 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 beep. And then you walk away for an hour. All right, your meal is under pressure. You aren't. When that timer goes off, you can release the pressure. All right? Once you do that, take that lid off. A wonderful noise. Shred the meat a little bit. Well, that's nice. So I'm gonna take out some big pieces. I've got some mashed potatoes here. We can just put our meat right on top. Got this other big piece here. Pro tip, take some of that gravy right on top there. You don't want to forget about those pepperoncinis. They're gonna add that zip, that zap, that flavor we're talking about. And there you go. You can serve this up with mashed potatoes or mac and cheese, use it for sandwiches, or if you want to get really wild, check this out. Put it in tacos or quesadillas. It's up to you, all right? Make sure you like and subscribe to McCormick on YouTube so you can check out all the flavor maker videos.